Hi guys, this is a Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan, not just any Dhawan. Today I'm Dhawan, who's going to show you a delicious Indian appetizer with an Italian twist called Biryani Arancini. So let's start cooking. To begin the recipe, first we'll make a quick biryani. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add oil. As the oil starts to get hot, I'm going to add cumin seeds. With that, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Saute them for a few minutes. As the color starts changing, I'm going to add chopped onion. Cook the onion for a few minutes till it starts changing its color. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to add chopped tomato. I'm going to cook till they are soft and mushy. The tomato is soft and mushy now. At this stage, I'm going to add turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala, Biryani Masala. Now let's mix this all together. At this stage, I'll lower the heat, add little water so the masala doesn't burn, and cook for at least more 2 to 3 minutes. The rawness of masala is gone. Now I'm going to add shredded chicken. Mix it all together. After sauteing the chicken for a few minutes, now I'm going to add salt, black pepper, and with that I'm going to add little water, and now mix it all together. Now I'm going to add rice to the chicken. Now mix the chicken with the rice. After mixing chicken nicely with the rice, I'm going to add coriander, mint, and cheese. Now mix it all together and let it cool down, and then we'll make the arancini. Our biryani has cooled down. Let's start making the arancini. For that, I'm going to take a spoon, put it in the mixture, take a scoop, roll it up in the hand, press it in the center, add little cheese, again close it. Next, dust it in the flour, dip it in the egg, then finally put it for crumbing. Our biryani arancini is ready. Let's just fry them and serve them hot. Oil is hot. Let's start frying. And there you go guys, our Biryani Arancini is now ready. If you really enjoyed the recipe, then do share your love in the comment section below. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.